Good morning, Philippines. Greetings from China with love. Mushroom for today. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, little one. Yan, kukuha po tayo ng free mushroom. Sapat po na to. Every may ulan po, 2 to 3 days, may tutubo pong mushroom. Maliliit na mushroom. Ayan, ayan, look at that. Harvest time, you know, free from nature. Ayan, thank you sa free mushroom. Thank you, Mother Nature. Malilit lang po siya na mushroom, but masarap. So, ipares po natin mamaya sa noodles for lunch. Ayan pa. Ayan pa. Here's more. Laki. Ayan. There's one more. Ayan. And ayan pa. Dami. Ayan. Wow. Let's make a toast. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mother Nature. Salamat po sa free mushroom. Ayan. No. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless.